In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Canva, plus offer you 5 powerful tips to enhance your designs. Canva is a versatile design tool that's great for creating stunning graphics, whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting. Grouping elements within Canva is an essential skill that can dramatically streamline your workflow and help you create more cohesive and professional looking designs. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to highlight the elements you wish to group. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse to create a selection box over all the elements you want to include. This could be anything from text boxes to images and other elements that you plan to manipulate as a single unit. The ability to select multiple elements and treat them as one is invaluable, as it ensures that when you move or resize them, they stay aligned with each other just as you set them up. Once your elements are highlighted, you should see a button appear labeled Group. Click on this button and just like that, your selected items are grouped together. The beauty of grouping is that it keeps everything organized and simplifies your editing process. Now, when you drag to reposition your grouped elements or resize them, it all moves as a single piece. No more fiddling with each item individually to keep it all looking perfect. Now let's move on to some power tips that will make your experience with Canva even better. First, remember that you can ungroup elements at any time. If you need to tweak individual parts, simply select the grouped elements and the ungroup button will appear in its place. Click that and each item becomes individually editable again, allowing you to make fine-tuned adjustments. Another powerful tip is that you can layer multiple groups within a design. By using layers, you can create complex images with overlapping elements, giving your design depth and interest. To do this, ensure each group is properly organized in the template's layer panel. You can bring one group forward or send it back depending on what you want to be visible. Additionally, when you're working with grouped elements, try using alignment tools for precision placement. Canva offers alignment guidelines that make it incredibly easy to center your group within the design. These guidelines appear as you drag your grouped elements across the canvas, helping you achieve perfectly aligned results. For our fourth tip, remember to take advantage of Canva's magic resize feature. When you've created a group, you can quickly resize the entire bunch to fit different formats and dimensions, perfect for adapting a design for various social media platforms without starting from scratch. Finally, keep an eye on consistency in design. When grouping and ungrouping items, make sure your colors, fonts, and styles are in harmony with your overall theme. This consistency improves the visual appeal and makes your designs look professionally crafted. By mastering these steps and tips, you will be able to utilize Canva to its fullest potential and enhance your design efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy designing.